Meaning of ill humor.
Ill humor.
Ill humor.
Ill humor.
Ill humor. Ill humor refers to a negative or irritable mood or disposition. When someone is experiencing ill humor, they may be easily annoyed, frustrated, or quick to anger. This can affect their interactions with others, causing conflict or tension in relationships. It can also impact their mental and physical health by increasing stress levels and decreasing overall well-being. Taking steps to address the root causes of ill humor, such as practicing self-care, seeking professional support, or addressing underlying emotional issues, can help improve mood and lead to a more positive outlook on life.